I'm pretty sure that was a little mini tornado.
Yeah, it was.
Look at the top of the grandstand.
Yeah, blew the grandstands over. I mean, this is just crazy.
Crazy indeed. A severe thunderstorm raced through the South Boston Speedway in Virginia just yesterday, taking out tents, even part of the grandstands. Race teams on the ground reporting torrential rain, you had hail, you had damaging wind. Just one of more than 100 damaging wind reports from storms stretching yesterday from Montana to the mid-Atlantic, Kelly. Wow.
It has been a busy month of June. Just this past week, we've seen storms kind of on that same track, starting out in the Midwest and then ending up right here along the I-95 corridor in the Northeast. So today, watch out. We could see some severe storms from Boston to Hartford, down to New York City, Philadelphia, even Baltimore and D.C. You are in that red zone for the potential of damaging winds, could lose your power, and also some hail mixed in with that heavy rain. So we've got the strong upper level winds punching east right across the Adirondacks into New England. Cold front in the same general vicinity, and therefore there is going to be that chance we could translate some of that wind to the ground, and there could be some damage out there. We got plenty of moisture to work with between the cold front and the warm front, by the way. That's your instability, your warm sector of our storm system. So we get some daytime heating, and we are likely to get more storms going later on today. I know it's already happening. It's early this morning, but storms are over Boston right now, southern New Hampshire, and back here into western New York as well. So it's already a busy morning, and we do expect the radar to fill in even more later on today. All right, so for Boston, there you see the lightning strike showing up there down towards Cape Cod as well. So definitely watch out for the lightning. You need to be indoors, a sturdy shelter right now, even though that thunderstorm is not severe. We're going to track the heavy rain as it makes its way through the Finger Lakes over towards Erie, moving its way towards the Laurel Highlands here. Scranton, Lackawanna County, looks like you'll get some storms by about 3 to 6 o'clock this evening. And New York City, there they go, crossing over the GW Bridge from New Jersey out towards Long Island. And then you think you're done, but there's still going to be the chance for more pop-up showers and storms even through the overnight hours, and more for Sunday. This is tomorrow. Doesn't mean it's going to rain all day, but be prepared for the downpours and the lightning strikes for any outdoor activities you've got going on. I know the Mets are home against the Braves. Looks like the weather will be clearing up for us, and certainly D.C. looking at a brighter day for tomorrow as well. Reynolds?
All right, Kelly, let's check out two cities at risk for storms today. We've got New York, you've got Boston. These cities are also among the top 5 4th of July destinations according to Wallet Hub. Some fireworks displays are getting started early tonight on Long Island. So will storms spoil the show? Let's check out the timing of all that now. But good day right now. Get out there on National Camera Day and take some images with your camera. And you probably won't even need the flash bulb. To our kids at home, camera's like a little magical box that has a little flash on top. You push a button and it takes a picture. Then you take the film and you take it to the Photomat. Photomat, magical building where you drop off your film and then your film comes back in these little things called pictures. Pictures, I'll get on that later on. Right now we've got to talk weather. From Yonkers to Patterson, these are conversations I have with my kids all the time. We've got the showers that are going to be coming through around 6 o'clock. Remember, there are a lot of people out here that are having their 4th of July celebrations tonight, but will rain be a problem? Well, if you've got around 9 or 10 o'clock or so, could have some showers and storms. The clouds are going to move on through, but consider some of the clouds to kind of add a little bit to it. Sometimes fireworks with cloudy conditions are awesome and just really kind of cool. But the raindrops and the thunderstorms, you don't want to deal with that. We make our way back over to Scranton. We see some showers firing up at, say, 8 o'clock this morning. There may be more where that comes from. In fact, there should be, especially by the afternoon. Here they come, right on schedule. From Scranton and points north, some of these could be hail producers, damaging wind. You can't rule out tornadoes, but that's not going to be your biggest threat today. But if you do have some of the lightning and you're outside, you know what to do. You go inside, okay? That's a smart thing to do. Then you get into, say, midnight or so and notice some scattered showers out there. In Boston, the stories could be kind of loud, especially from, say, 2 p.m. through 8 p.m. Then we see them begin to dwindle, and the temperature's dropping down to around 73. That is a great snapshot, Kelly. Looks pretty good. Back over to you.
Here you go. All right, meanwhile, in the south, we've spent days dodging storms, and some unlucky Floridians got caught under this downpour. This was near Fort Myers. Storm actually triggered a tornado warning, but thankfully no confirmation or reports of damage or injuries with that storm. Definitely some lightning. We see it right there. All right, so yes, we'll be dodging more showers and thunderstorms. Pretty much more the same here in the south. It's hazy, hot, and humid, the 3 H's, right? And then you bring in that chance for storms, especially after you you get some daytime heating. So we do have plenty of moisture out there. You feel it in Florida. I know you step outside, you think it's early in the day. You're already sweating because the dew points are so high into the 70s from Tampa to Jacksonville. I mean, it's muggy here in Nashville, Atlanta, and Raleigh, but still dew points in the 60s are better than dew points in the 70s. Which is what we have back towards New Orleans and Houston. We also see some showers and storms. We see deep tropical moisture showing up there in eastern Texas, more tropical moisture showing up over Florida. Both of these areas are seeing thunderstorms already this morning, right across the Florida Panhandle, the Big Bend area, down towards Miami, kind of surrounding you, and then over into Louisiana. We've got a lot of lightning showing up with this line as it drops out towards Lake Charles. Nothing severe, but you still need to take it seriously, especially with the dangerous lightning and more development over southern Arkansas, dropping down towards Shreveport once again. Showers and thunderstorms just off the coast of Georgia, now on the coast it looks like, and we're also seeing some storms down toward the Florida Keys and so close to Fort Myers yet again, just like yesterday. So as we go through the afternoon, it's not just going to be along the Gulf Coast. We do think there's a better chance for a few pop-up showers and storms across the inland areas, Birmingham, Atlanta. There it goes, 2, 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Those storms fire up here heading out to Centennial Park or maybe the Battery here. You've also got the showers and storms around Allatoona Lake, so just keep that in mind when the skies are looking ominous. Seek shelter. Showers and thunderstorms once again for tomorrow along the 20 corridor and especially I-10 and traveling down into Florida. Be prepared for more rain again, Reynolds.
All right. Now imagine you're trying to capture a gorgeous rainbow when suddenly, wait on it, boom! You get lightning that strikes. Well, this happened in Waverly, Ohio during storms that happened just yesterday. Buckeye State battling some severe storms yesterday that produced hail, winds gusting up to 68 miles an hour on the lakefront in Cleveland.